Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Deepseek version 3.2. In order to do so, here we are at deepseek.com, and as you can see, we can start now with free access to Deepseek version 3.2, or we can use the Deepseek app. So whether you are on Android or iOS, you might want to download that app. Otherwise, you can just click on Start Now. And we're going to go ahead and log in with Google. And with just a few clicks of the button, we are into Deepseek and we're ready to go. Just add a few more pieces of information here. And there you have it. We are now ready to use Deepseek 3.2. We've got our deep think here. We can think before responding to solve reasoning problems. We can search the web when necessary. You can attach files and you can upload docs here or images and ask Deepseek about it. Pretty straightforward. We got our new chat on the left-hand side here. So if you want to create a new chat, you can click that and any chats that you start will show up here. And let's go ahead and see. Tell me about time travel. Why not? And then you can see here now that we have the chat there on the left-hand side. We've got three little dots here. So we can rename that. So we'll go ahead and rename that time travel. And if we wanted to start a chat with Deepseek about time travel, then we could do that. And we can even pin that. Pinned right there. We can share it as well. And you can see here that Deepseek is still hard at work answering our question. Guess we want to click that there. There we go. So if we click that, then that's going to create a public link, and then we can send that out. But lots of information here. Really kind of gave us a variety of things to go with. If you're interested in time travel, then we have some good stuff here to get started. That gives you an idea of what you can expect with Deepseek 3.2. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra AI. Sintra is a fantastic tool that allows you to brainstorm for your business strategy tool that's very powerful. You get a variety of AI employees and you can get tailored responses. The more that you use Sintra, the more it gets to know you and your business so that it can offer you unique insights that can help your business succeed. Check out Cider as well. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available, including Deepseek. So if you want all of those models in one place where you can compare answers, Cider is the way to go. It's a great tool. I use it all the time. And finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, click on the link in the description in the link tree, and you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. It comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.